Now, if you check my screen, you realize that I was able to get over 3,000 watch hours within a space of just 3 days, right? Now, I posted this video on, 21st of January, and by 24th of January, I was having over 3,000 watch hours. And not just this video, I tried it on another channel, 3,000 watch hours within a space of just 5 days, right? Now, I posted this video on 13th February, right? And by 18th February, which is just 5 days, I was able to get over 3,000 watch hours. Okay. And you know what? This method is actually for lazy people only. So I am sorry. If you are not lazy, this video is not for you. Yes, I'm just kidding. But, anyways, this method is strictly for lazy people, right? So if you're not lazy, I have a lot of videos on my channel about watch hours. You can go there and watch it, right? But if you're watching this video, you must be a lazy person. You understand? Now, I'm going to show you what I actually do. You understand? And also, after that, I'm going to show you about 5 channels that I have been able to gain 4,000 watch hours on it for some of my students. You understand? But before I show you that, I actually have an announcement for you right now. The announcement is that by the end of this video, I am actually going to give the opportunity to 5 people who are going to get free watch hours from me. Yes, free. I'm going to work on your channel to get you 4,000 watch hours for free. You understand? Without taking any money from you. You understand? So all you have to do is to watch the video to the end, because at a section in the video, that is when I am going to, display, those who are going to get, the free, 4,000 watch hours from me. You understand? Yeah. So without wasting much time, let me show you some of the results of those that have worked on their channel. Some of my students that have worked on their channel to get their 4,000 watch hours. Some are monetized, some also about to apply for monetization. All right, so this is the channel of one of my students. So you can see right here, after getting 4,000 watch hours, you can see 3,099 watch hours out of 4,000 watch hours, right? And as we speak, he's already monetized. Yes, he's now monetized actually. Okay, so now let me show you the videos I use for the watch hours. So let me come here, right? Yeah, so we can see that just one single video got 10.9k views and 1.6k watch hours with just one single video. Now let's see how long it took. It actually took, I started on 27th of January, right? And by 4th February, which is less than 1 week, 1.6k watch hours. So he hasn't reached the 4,000 watch hours. So how to post another video, right? So let's see. So I posted another video and it got over 900 watch hours, which is almost 1k watch hours. So from 1st February up to 9th February, it took just 9 days to get 1k watch hours on this particular video. You understand? So when I add all, he was able to get 4,000 watch hours. And if you check the rate of this video, the views are actually organic, suggested browse, 100% organic. These are not fake watch hours. These are true watch hours. You understand? Relax. I want to show you more results before I tell you what I am going to do. You understand? Yes. Now this is also another student of mine. I also worked on his channel. He actually got his watch hours very fast. So as you can say, he has already reached the threshold and yet to apply. He's about to do his two-step verification. Yes, as you can see, two-step verification, and then he'll be able to apply for monetization, right? So let me look for the video I use for the watch hours. If you check this particular video, it got 13.8k views and 1.9k watch hours, almost 2,000 watch hours from one single video. You understand? And let's see the reach of this video. Suggested browse, in fact, 100% organic. You understand? So this is not fake watch hours, this is organic watch hours. Let's see how long it took. I posted it on 24th January, right? And by 26th January, really just 2 days. So 1.9k watch hours in just 2 days. You understand? You may get yours faster. And I did same on another video because he was not up to the 4,000 watch hours yet. Yeah. So this is the video 14.7k views, and then he got watch hours of 2.5k. So if you add the two, that is 4,000 watch hours. You understand? And this one also, I started on 23rd of January, and then by the same 23rd of January, he was able to get 2.5k watch hours. So that means just one single day, 2.5k watch hours in just one single day. You understand? All right. Now let me go to my next client. Yes. So if you come to the analytics, you can see that he's having 4.9k watch hours, right? And if you check the graphic, you realize that this is when I was, working on the channel. So he has also got his 4,000 watch hours now. When I come to content and I look for the video. So yes, there's just one single video. So one single video, 12.6k views, and then 3.3k watch hours. This is absolutely crazy. I started on 21st January and then finished on 24th January. So just 3 days and three over 3,000 watch hours. So that means 700 watch hours more, right? So I had to do again. And then he got 6.2k views and 1.5k watch hours, right? As you can see, 1.5k watch hours. And it took 22nd January up to 25th January, just 3 days. So if you add this to the 3,000 watch hours, that means over 4,000 watch hours. And from here you can see it's actually organic, browse suggested, 100% organic. So there's no need to be scared, right? And another one, if I did a lot, 4,000 watch hours. And if you check the graph, you can see this is when I was working on the channel, right? You can see from the graph here, this one I was working on the channel. Now let's go to the content and see the videos that got her the watch hours, right? Now this one actually surprised me. So just one single video, my lady here was able to get 3,000 watch hours from 19.7k views. 3,000 good watch hours. You understand? Yes. And I started on 13th February, right? And by 18th February, it's just 5 days, she was able to get over 3,000 watch hours. So 1,000 watch hours more left. Okay, so I did that on another video I'll be showing you right now. You get me? Yeah. So let me look for the other video. Yeah, so this is it. So you can see 1.1k watch hours from 8.3k views, 1.1k watch hours, right? And how long it took? 15 February up to 17 February, just 2 days. She was able to get 1.1k watch hours. So if you add the two, 4,000 watch hours, and it's actually organic, suggested, browse, 100% organic. So there's no need to be scared about this. Okay. So all the screen recording I have showed you right now, these are people who believed in me and they actually asked me to, work on their channels to get them their 4,000 watch hours. You understand? And to be frank, this is not a method that I can, share on YouTube here. Okay. So if you are interested, you just check the description of this video and you send me a DM and I'm going to work on the channel to get you 4,000 watch hours. Now, the results takes 7 days to 21 days. Now, if you check here, you realize that most of them were able to, get it within 7 days, 3 days, some even one day. You understand? However, I'm not going to promise that. I'm going to promise you 7 to 21 days. And it is not free at all. It is not free at all. So before you DM me, make sure you are ready to make payments because you are going to make me a manager on your channel and I'm going to work on your channel and post and get you 4,000 watch hours. Okay. Yes. However, as I promised that I'm going to choose 5 people from this particular video and then work on their channel to get them 4,000 watch hours for free, right? So this is what we are going to do. The first rule you need to do is that first of all you need to like this particular video right now. Okay, like this video. Okay, so after liking this video, then write in the comment section, justify why you want me to select you as part of the 5 people that you want me to work on their channels and then get them the 4,000 watch hours for free. You understand? Yes. So what I'll do is that I'll go through the comments, right? And then I'll randomly pick 5 people whose story or whose reason will touch my heart. You understand? And I'm going to post those people on my community post either tomorrow or 2 days after posting this particular video. Okay, so I'll post it on my community post, and then you're going to DM me, and then I'll start working on the channel. That is for those who will be enjoying the free one. It's for 5 people. Okay, please don't come into my DM for free watch hours. No, if you want free watch hours, just drop your reason in the comment section of this video. Okay, and I will select 5 people randomly. You understand? So please don't come to my WhatsApp, don't come to my DM. However, those who are allowed to come into my DM are those who do not want the free one, and they are willing to pay money for me to work on their channel and get them the 4,000 watch hours, right? So if you are ready, if you have your money, if you can afford for me to work on your channel and get your 4,000 watch hours within 7 to 21 days, then feel free to send me a message. Check the description of this video and also the comments section of this video. You're going to get my WhatsApp number there. Just WhatsApp me and let's talk. Okay. And finally, I'll be leaving the links of my student that I use their videos and as example in this tutorial. Okay, so that you can go there and follow them as well. Please follow them, subscribe to their channel, make sure you watch their videos. Thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Prince, and then see you in my next video. Goodbye.